Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the goddess braids or the gypsy braids. So I use 3 bundles of human hair. If you want the information of your human hair, please check the description. And I also used I think a bundle or a pack of the braiding hair. So I have the styles on my channel. I think I have like 3 to 4 videos on this particular style. So if you want to check another dimension, because my client didn't want knotless. So if you want to see how I did the knotless, I would insert my previous videos on this style in the cards above. So do check that out. So I just want to be more detailed with my video, so I used the hair jam I used was Shine and Jam. And like I said before, I used 3 bundles of human hair and 1 pack of the braiding hair. For the human hair information, it's going to be in my description. So some people might call this the goddess braids or the gypsy braids, but mine is kind of unique from what I've seen in the sense that my curls are more than the braids. So that's why I do not like to use more than 1 pack of hair. Sometimes I don't even use up to a pack of braiding hair extensions, but I make sure I use nothing less than 3 bundles of human hair. And I also use it in 20 inches because I know someone is going to ask. So like I said, if you need the details of the human hair, it's going to be in my description. Okay, so yeah. I tend to make my curls more than the braiding hair, so it just gives this will I say a weave look. So for each braid, I tend to use a minimum of 4 to 8 braids for 4 to 8 human hair piece for each braid. And then you also notice that, or you also know that the length of the back is different from the length in front. So let's say I use 4 human hair strands at the back. I'll probably use like 8 or 6 or 10 in front. It just depends. And sometimes I always feel like if you're doing the style, you have to kind of gauge it, because if it's too much, it's just gonna be too much. So it just has to have a balance where it looks nice, it looks full, but just not too full. I mean, it's human hair, so it can never be too full, but you just don't want it to look weird and out of proportion. So yeah, when it comes to maintenance, I always tell my clients, because I tried this style on myself. If you haven't seen the video, I can also link it up, but I didn't use the human hair like everywhere. I only used it at the ends of my braids, and I used to use like the hair mousse, and I discovered that my human hair kind of turn out dry and really strong, and I really didn't like it that way. So I always tell my clients, definitely do not use mousse. But if you if you want it to have like the dry texture, or you want the curls to be stiff, then just everybody has different preference. I like mine to be wet and wavy, so I only suggest using water. You're gonna see if hopefully you stay to the end of the video, because I have I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about at the end of the video, almost at the end of the video. So I only use water to get the curls going, just to activate the curls properly. And I really do not recommend mousse, using mousse, but if you want to, it's all personal choice and preference. So if you are someone who doesn't like really heavy braids, or this is perfect because it's lightweight and it's water friendly. Okay, so I'm just trying to make sure I get all the details. I don't want to leave anything out. But anyways, if you still have any questions, you can always just leave them in the comment below. But if I already answered your questions, then I will not be answering it, because if I already said it in the video and you ask me again, there's no need for me to answer, because I already explained it. So that means you didn't watch the video. So please watch the video till the end, because it's worth it before and then if you have questions after that, you can leave them and I will definitely answer. Thank you guys for watching my videos. God bless you. God bless you for me, each and every one of you that actually watch my video, that actually subscribe, that like. I am grateful, and actually leave a comment Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and I just want to say a quick one to all my subscribers and everyone watching from Texas. You are all in my prayers, and I just want you to know that this is a phase and it's going to pass, and just be strong and everything is going to be fine. Yeah, thank you guys, and keep watching.